In this video, I'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing a P0299 Turbocharger Underboost condition on a vehicle. The customer brought the car in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I started by connecting a scan tool which confirmed the P0299 error code. Next, I performed a thorough visual inspection of the air intake system to check for any obvious issues. Everything appeared fine. To dig deeper, I used a smoke machine to test the intake system for leaks by inducing smoke. The results showed no leaks in the system. After that, I visually inspected the turbocharger hoses and connections, but couldn't find any apparent faults. At this point, I decided to remove the turbocharger for a closer inspection. That's when I found the issue. The turbocharger was completely soaked with engine oil, which confirmed that the turbocharger itself was faulty. The solution was straightforward. I replaced the faulty turbocharger, cleared the error codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle operated perfectly. The turbo boost pressure was back to normal. The check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're facing a P0299 error code or experiencing turbo underboost issues, this video will guide you through the diagnostic process and repair steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.